Hey, quick question. Does this hair make me look like Sideshow Bob from The Simpsons? Hi, this is Carl Palachuk with another SOP video for managed service providers. And today I want to talk about what constitutes a client. How do you know when somebody's your client? Well, if you want to know for sure if somebody's a client, look in the lower right-hand corner of your computer screen, because there you're going to find your remote monitoring and patch management agent. And the icon might look very different depending on the RMM agent you're using and whether or not you've customized it with your personal logo, which I recommend. What you're going to see is down in that corner is an RMM agent. It is patching and fixing and updating. It's monitoring that client's machine. It's letting you know if there's a problem. And it should be customized so that a client can click on it, open up a form, create a ticket in your system. Now, even if a client is on break fix and not managed services, you should at least sell them, and I do not mean give away, sell them monitoring so that you know they're your client. And with that little agent down there, they're not going to go somewhere else. You are their tech support. And when that happens, then even if they're just break fix, you've got the monitoring going on, and even if you don't put in patches, fixes, and updates, you are able to remote into that system. You are able to take control of it. You are able to fix their stuff, send them a bill. They're able to create a ticket in your system. If they're on managed services, the default is that it's going to be covered as long as it's maintenance of the operating system and software. It's billable if it's an add, move, change. The default is if they're on break fix, they're going to get charged for it unless there's some really big reason that they shouldn't be. So as simple as it sounds, that little icon, that little logo in the lower right-hand corner of the client's machine tells you that they're your client. If you are not doing this, if you haven't installed an RMM agent in every single client, I absolutely recommend that you do it. And for those of you who say, oh my gosh, RMMs are so expensive, I literally don't get that argument. Let's say that you buy low volume and you pay $1.50 each, and you got 1,000 clients. Okay, or 1,000 endpoints. Okay, that's $1,500 a month. If you can't make that back in simply paying to have it installed on the client's machine, you are not trying. You know, monitoring only, you should be in the neighborhood of $5 to $10. Patching, fixing, and updating, $30 to $50, sometimes $100, sometimes $150 a workstation. So the cost of that RMM agent is microscopic, and there's absolutely no excuse not to have it. And when the client's got it, you know they're your client and not just a customer. They're going to rely on you for their tech support. For Small Biz Thoughts, this is Carl Palachuk wishing you the best of luck in your managed service business.